Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to delete an application or how to uninstall an application on your iPhone easily to get extra space on your device. So first thing we have to do, we just need to decide what application that we want to delete or we want to uninstall. Okay, let me find mine. So I already find one application that I want to delete from my device, which is this, since I never use this anymore. So to uninstall or to delete the application, you just need to click and hold the application until there's appear like several options like this, and after that you just need to go click remove app. And remove app, there will be also two options: either you want to delete the app or remove the application from the screen. Since we want to get an extra space, we have to delete the application, so we just need to click delete app. And now we just need to confirm, and now the application is already removed and deleted from our device. That's all the way how to delete the application on the iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.